Ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Hello everyone. So today is weekend. It's my day off. So I have a very simple craving. So I will just gonna cook pasta and I will gonna put tuna, of course. And our very simple aroma, we have coriander. Of course I have tomato and onion. So let's go. A random video just to complete our weekly challenge. So every Saturday I will gonna complete my weekly challenge. So I will gonna have a lot of reels. So just here I have only a piece of onion, not a whole one, because I don't feel to eat a lot of onion this time. But I have a very big tomato, so I peel already. I remove the skin. Good. So guys, it's like this and I put it in there. So now finish the tomato, coriander and onion. I don't like garlic this time. So this is our tuna. I will gonna put it here. This is tuna flakes in oil, so I will not gonna remove the water. It's okay. So this is our pasta. It's about to cook already. So we will gonna put pink salt. And this is the ground black pepper. So now I will gonna put the pasta, because this pasta guys I need to cook this because I didn't boil it too much tender, so I have to cook like this so that the tomato will gonna cook. So this is the way I want. And of course I will gonna put a little pasta soup. This is from the pasta I boiled. So I will gonna cook it for around 10 minutes and I will gonna put the coriander. That's it. So let's check. Oh. This is now my weekend food. This is my simple tuna pasta. So now I will gonna sprinkle the coriander. So here we go guys. It's cooked already my pasta. See, it's very easy. In just 10 minutes I have my pasta. Yummy. This is my cravings of the day. So this is my cravings of the day. This is my pasta tuna with coriander, tomato and onion. That's it. So here we go guys. This is my cravings. So mashallah, mashallah. Bismillah. I don't want that much color, so I just put on natural. Bismillah. It's really so delicious, guys. It's organic, all natural. Only tomato, onion, and coriander, pink salt, and ground black pepper. It's really so good. And by the way, guys, we have a new toast, this one. So we are now affiliate. So I am now affiliate in Shopee, but I will just try. But I will gonna try how. Yesterday I activated it already. So alhamdulillah. Sipag at tiyaga lang, guys. Thank you so much and happy weekend.